Appreciate this teamwork which is doing a wonderful job. It's a combination of Chinese company and FWO. I'm sure it's a wonderful combination, and this combination will certainly deliver this project on time. But I will still insist and persist that please go into the timelines again and see where we can cut corners, and if we can advance this date from 2029 to, let's say, 2026 or 2027, it will be a miracle we would have been able to achieve. And this is possible. Nothing is impossible in this world, provided we put our act together and move forward in unison. I'm sure you will be able to find space to advance this project by at least 2 years.